We can't change the world, Glenn. The only thing that we can do is change ourselves.
Yeah, I know that.
We change,
but you know what?
And the world changes.
But you're on a television show. Okay, I don't know if you know this. You're on a television show, and the way the television show changes the world, my belief is you say the truth. Yeah. If people want to hear it, great. If they don't want to hear it, great. It's the capitalist system. It's not PBS. I'll go out of business. If you don't want to hear it. If I'm wrong, great. But I'm telling you, Damon, I don't know what happened to you. You've been zombified.
He's making money. He's making money on the disparity.
No, but he always has. You always have. And I've never faulted you for that.
I want to align myself with what's happening. I'm not short the market. I can't get short assets that are rising. A market can go a lot higher than you can remain solvent. And a market can go a lot lower than you have any comprehension of. Remember 2008. What you want to do is a simple prayer, and I think you're going to like this, David. I think if I can get this, I'm going to try this. It's going to be good.
Should I fold my arms?
May God grant me the serenity to know the will of the market and not my own. We want to follow the trend of prices, whether they be up or down, be ever present in the moment, be ever mindful of what we're seeing. And what we're seeing right now
I couldn't
is strength,
get this guy to stop talking about the individual. How long ago? A year and a half ago, you were at my house? And I couldn't get you. I was like, Damon, I get it. I'm talking about the fundamentals
this
here.
This is talking about love.
We have to focus on the individual. And now I can't get you to focus on the individual.
Yep. I am focused on the individual.
You're focused on the individual investing in money. The individual, at the end of the day, let's start here. Let's scrap everything else.
Yeah.
What happens, what do we look like if Barack Obama, a year from now, if Barack Obama is elected, and all of these things continue?
Well, the market continues to go up till he gets reelected. That's part of the process. You've got to have a good market, have a good perception of economy. That helps increases reelection chances. Then when he gets elected, he does all kinds of things. He stops the domestic drilling for energy. You know, he goes out on press conference and says, we're going to develop as much energy as we can. He can turn the EPA against hydraulic fracturing in a minute and it's causing earthquakes, and they're going to shut it completely down. And so we become more energy dependent. They'll increase the regulations on the hotels. They'll do that now. They'll do things that really economically hurt a year from now. What happens then is our economy begins to implode. What happens then is they have to pump the money supply. The dollar loses its reserve currency status. And as I've shared on this program before, terrorists attack our financial markets, destroy the dollar. It's called phase 3. Inflation goes through the roof, and we see a mass economic collapse. And then the foreigners come in and buy all of our property, all of our farmland, all of our companies, all of our productive capacity. That's what happens if he gets reelected.
I think actually if he gets reelected, that we do hit a brick wall. We have to hit reality at some point in time. But I'm not sure between now and then that the markets are going to be favorable. Gas prices where they are right now, that's not what he wants. Now, the best thing that could ever happen to the Republicans at this time are for gas prices to increase, even though that's not what they're hoping for either.